Hello everyone, welcome back to the Fin Knowledge channel. If you have any loan going on, home loan, car loan, education loan, or you are planning to take any loan, this video is helpful for you. Why I am making this video, let me share the incident happened with my friend. My friend who took car loan and assuming that the interest rate he is paying is 9%. But when we actually calculated it came out to be 14%. To save you all from this mis-selling by loan agents by telling you the lower interest rate and charging you more actually. After watching this video, you will be able to calculate your interest rate on loan. Bank has their EMI calculator on their website. Here I opened the EMI calculator of HDFC Bank, SBI Bank and Bajaj Finance. I will share the link of the EMI calculator of the bank in the description. Here I will show you one example on the HDFC Bank website. Let's assume the loan amount is 10 lakh. Tenure is 5 year and interest rate is 12%. Your EMI's amount is coming 22,244. Similarly, you can check on the SBI website or Bajaj Finance website. If loan agent is telling you any interest rate that you can check on their respective bank or NBFC website, most of them provide their EMI calculator on their website. But here is one catch. If you have existing loan and you don't have the interest rate or your interest rate is floating rate, then you can use the calculator in the Excel workbook prepared by us, and same you can download from the link in the description. First calculator on the left side is similar to bank website. But in second calculator on the right side we are putting EMI amount instead of interest amount. Let's put the principal amount of 10 lakh. Tenure of 5 year, if we convert in months it is 60 months, and EMI amount of 22,200 that we calculated in our previous example. So our interest rate is coming 12%, that is matching with our previous example interest rate. You can also compare the interest rate on home loan of different bank on FinKnowledge website, which we are updating regularly. The link for the same in the description box. So whenever you are taking loan or you have existing loan, you should check exactly how much interest you are paying on the loan. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more financial video. If you have any question or want to see more topics explained, please leave a comment down below. Keep saving, keep investing, keep earning.